Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we are thrilled to bring you a special countdown featuring the best-selling body and trim products on Amazon. Get ready to discover the top picks that have taken the market by storm, helping countless individuals achieve their body goals and trim down effectively. These products are celebrated not only for their popularity, but also for their proven results and customer satisfaction. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5 on our countdown is the GOOACC rear view mirror, an extraordinary product designed to revolutionize your driving experience. This is not just any rear view mirror, it's a game changer for safety and visibility. Imagine a rear view mirror that extends your vision far beyond the norm. With its 11.81-inch panoramic convex design, the GOOACC mirror provides a broader view, virtually eliminating blind spots. Feel the confidence of knowing what's behind you, from adjacent vehicles to the little ones in the back seat. Whether you're reversing or cruising down the highway, this mirror enhances your situational awareness, making every journey safer. Crafted with high-quality, high-definition glass, the GOOACC mirror ensures you see clear, undistorted images. Say goodbye to the frustration of overlapped or blurry reflections. This mirror gives you a pristine view, as sharp as reality itself. Worried about durability? The GOOACC rear view mirror comes protected by robust packaging. The carton, foam paper, and internal shelf keep it secure, so even a fall from 2 meters won't shatter your peace of mind. This mirror is built to last, enduring the bumps and jolts of everyday use. Installation is a breeze, no need for tools or complicated instructions. In just 8 seconds, you can clip it onto your existing mirror, adjust the angle, and hit the road. It's that simple. The universal design fits a wide range of vehicles, from compact cars to SUVs and trucks, making it the perfect upgrade for any driver. Experience the GOOACC difference. It's not just a mirror, it's your new driving companion, offering unmatched visibility, safety, and ease of use. Drive with confidence, knowing you've got the best rear view mirror on the market, right there with you. Next up, number 4 on our list is the LiveT blind spot mirror. This ingenious accessory is designed to enhance your driving safety and elevate your road experience to new heights. First, let's talk about its innovative design. This pack includes two 2-inch round HD glass mirrors, and they're not just any mirrors. These frameless convex mirrors offer a 360-degree rotation and sway adjustment. Imagine the power of being able to customize your view precisely to your needs, maximizing your field of vision and giving you that extra edge on the road. Why settle for less when you can have more safety? The LiveT blind spot mirrors are essential for eliminating those pesky blind spots that plague every driver. Whether you're passing, merging, or changing lanes, these mirrors provide an extended view that keeps you aware of your surroundings. Perfect for cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks, they are the ultimate tool for safer driving. Crafted from IP65 waterproof and rust-resistant materials, these mirrors boast ultra-thin HD glass. They deliver crystal-clear reflections without any haze, ensuring you get the sharpest and most reliable view possible. Durability and clarity, all in one sleek package. Installation is a breeze. Clean your original side mirrors, stick the blind spot mirrors to their mounting brackets and attach them. It's that simple. No tools, no fuss, just straightforward safety enhancement. And here's the best part. LiveT is committed to your satisfaction. Should you have any issues or questions, their dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you. Peace of mind, guaranteed. So, why wait? Equip your vehicle with the LiveT blind spot mirrors and drive with the confidence that comes from knowing you've got a clearer, safer view of the road ahead. Now at number 3 on our list, we have the Amooca Soft Auto Seat Belt Cover. This isn't just a seatbelt cover, it's a game changer for comfort and safety during your drive. What's in the package? You get 2 plush luxurious seatbelt shoulder pads. These aren't just for cars, they're compatible with any shoulder strap you can think of. From backpacks to baby bags, golf bags to luggage, if it has a strap, it can benefit from the Amooca touch. Why endure the discomfort of a seatbelt cutting across your neck? The soft cushioned feel of these pads transforms your driving experience, making every journey more relaxing and enjoyable. They're especially great for kids, encouraging them to wear their seatbelts by making them more comfortable. Installation? It's a breeze, no tools needed. Simply open the durable Velcro on the underside, wrap it around the seatbelt, and close. It's that easy. In seconds, you can enhance your driving comfort. Versatility is key. These seatbelt pads are perfect for cars, trucks, jeeps, SUVs, and even airplanes. They can be used anywhere you want added comfort. Handbags, diaper bags, golf bags, you name it. If there's a strap, the Amooca seatbelt cover can make it better. So why wait? Elevate your comfort and safety with the Amooca Soft Auto Seat Belt Cover. It's not just an accessory, it's an upgrade for your everyday life. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling body and trim products on Amazon? Well, don't let your car miss out on the fun. Be sure to fuel our engine by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon to stay tuned for more auto awesome content. Now let's take a closer look at our number 2 pick on this countdown, the GOOACC GRC 33240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips Car, Plastic Rivets Fasteners Push Retainer Kit. This kit is a must-have for anyone who works on their vehicle, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast. Imagine the convenience of having 240 pieces of the most commonly used push retainer clips at your fingertips. This universal fit kit includes 12 popular sizes, making it perfect for door trim, radiator shield yoke, fender, bumper, and splash shield retainers. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, from Ford and GM to Toyota, Honda, Chrysler, and more. Think about the time and money you'll save. No more trips to the auto parts store searching for the right fasteners. This comprehensive kit has everything you need. And with the included fastener remover, getting rid of old clips is a breeze. It's all right here, in one convenient package. Durability is key. Made from high-quality materials with heavy-duty construction, these push-type retainers are built to last. They won't break or crack easily, ensuring a long-lasting solution for your car's needs. It's reliability you can count on, no matter the job. And let's not forget about organization. The kit comes in a compact plastic box with 12 compartments, keeping everything neatly arranged and easy to access. Whether you're storing it in your garage or carrying it in your car, this kit is designed for convenience. With the GOOACC GRC 33240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips Kit, you're not just getting a set of clips, you're investing in a comprehensive, reliable, and time-saving solution for all your vehicle's fastening needs. Get ready to streamline your repairs and installations with ease and efficiency. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 product on our top 5 body and trim countdown, the CERAKOTE registered trademark ceramic headlight restoration kit. This isn't just a product, it's a revolution in headlight care. Imagine your headlights looking brand new, with a shine that lasts as long as you own your vehicle. Thanks to the groundbreaking work of CERAKOTE's in-house chemists, this kit delivers unparalleled results. This is not just any coating, it's a true ceramic coating that chemically bonds to your headlights, providing UV protection that stands the test of time. No power tools are needed. Yes, you heard that right. Everything you need is included in this kit. Say goodbye to the hassle of borrowing tools or risking damage to your car's paint. Remember that awkward call to your uncle with the power tools? No more of that. This kit is designed for simplicity and safety, ensuring your headlights are restored without the risk of power tool mishaps. UV protection is paramount. Unlike other products that require frequent reapplication, CERAKOTE's ceramic headlight restoration kit offers a lasting solution. You won't find yourself buying another kit in a few months. This is a one-time investment in the long-lasting clarity of your headlights. CERAKOTE has been the go-to for world-class ceramic coatings for decades, trusted by industries ranging from aerospace to automotive. The process couldn't be simpler, with just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Use the oxidation remover to wipe away that hazy surface oxidation. Watch as the years of wear disappear. Step 2. Take the ergonomic surface prep pad to eliminate deep oxidation and prepare your headlight for the final coating. Step 3. Apply the pre-moistened ceramic headlight restoration wipes. In just 30 minutes, your headlights will look like new, and they'll stay that way. Why trust CERAKOTE? Because they are the pioneers in inorganic ceramic polymer technology. Their products are trusted by the most advanced aerospace, automotive, and technology companies around the globe. When it comes to protecting what matters, rely on the industry leader. So there you have it, the CERAKOTE registered trademark ceramic headlight restoration kit. Number 1 for a reason. Restore your headlights to their former glory and keep them shining bright for the long haul. Your vehicle deserves the best. Choose CERAKOTE. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling body and trim products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.